Welcome to our educational video. In this video, we will introduce a system-level widget called Retained Data. The Retained Data widget allows users to store data in the control board's non-volatile memory. This widget is invisible. You can treat the key as the identification for the retained data. The retained data must come from a register. Therefore, users have to bind the register. Users can use a trigger register for triggering the action of storing data. Every time this trigger register is written, then the binding value register's value is stored in the non-volatile memory. We then add the slider for updating the binding register's value and scrolling label to show the value. A generic button is added for triggering the retained data widget. We move the knob around, and once we press the set button, the value is stored. After restarting the simulator, the value is reappeared as the previous stored value. Hence, this retained data widget works according to our setting. Thank you for watching. ADE